came to my house. Look at this, is a Facebook brand in the whole wide world. Is here. I helped him. I helped him. He was sleeping in a guiding. He was sleeping in a guiding, which he came to help me.
Hello my people, I greet the full house from untouchable man. My house una dey fine. Una do well, una tell they help me, tell they share, comment, like. God go bless una. I really appreciate una well. My people, this video, wanna watch, so I go put the full video for now. Wanna watch am. It happened for France. So this man, the video this boy, because two of them they be Nigeria. He said the boy go call Calabi. That is Mona Novels. He said go call all this Ogbalegbe come from his house. He said this boy, he just see him for road. Say the boy they sleep, he don't get house. Now he come tell him say okay, may he come. Say he get one room for a place. May he come they stay for there. You understand? But the boy come they talk for background. The other boy where then they in the park he load come they talk for there. Say now 1 year now he take stay for a house. So all this katakata can happen. So the man come even they talk say now make them not they give help to our people because of wetin dey happen, because of the misunderstanding wey dem get together. You know say some people dey e go get help wey be wan give you because of the way some of our people take dey do something. Dem no dey gree dey help dem. Dem no dey gree even dey carry dem put for house say make e come drink water or make e come sleep for one night, because if you go sleep for one night maybe e carry something. Ogbalegbe dey find am dey go, you come enter trouble with the person. I know say abroad if they catch you say you no even know one or two, you first go answer for yourself before they go leave you. So I will put this video for now. Wanna watch. I don't want to make the video too long. Wanna listen to two of them who because the way the man where the video tell they talk and say now just few weeks now the boy dey there, but later he come dey show contract. Say see the contract where he do for her, where the other boy even come dey talk say now 1 year he don't stay for a house. So my people, understand never. I wanna be careful anyway. Depends the kind of person where you they put for inside house. Wanna be careful. Now make some of our people they shout, they say black and black, they know they help each other. Say if they get house, they no want give them. All these things now they cause am, because when you don't put somebody for your house finish, later go come call Ogbalegbe. But I know say some of our black, then they do this kind of thing. They go get like 3 rooms. They go find our black come put for another 2 rooms for them. Say okay, may stay there, may they pay for the rent where they happen. Most of them they know they do it again because of say problem will come burst. And when problem come burst, they will come carry this thing. Ogbalegbe come your place. Ogbalegbe come there. Make people where they house will come there. Wait till they had before where you know what make them see. They'll come they see. And people when your neighbor everything will come they burst us. Wanna watch this video? Wanna help me share? Be very careful of what you are doing abroad. Not be our house. So bye bye.
Just look at this. Is a boy I helped from the streets to just give him a help of house. Look at what he's doing. He came every time to bring a police to my house. So he bring a police to my house to just embarrass me this evening. I helped this guy. He was sleeping in the street without nothing. He said Ofi does not give him a house and he does not have any house. Then I render a house for him. By now, he's not paying me then. Now he came with a police to embarrass me in my own house. You see the reason why it's not good to help Nigerians. These are the reasons. His name is Cash Flow. Cash Flow in entertainment. He came to my house to rent, to just... He came to my house. Look at this, is a Facebook brand in the whole wide world. Is here. I helped him. I helped him. He was sleeping in a guiding. He was sleeping in a guiding, which he came to help me, to tell me to help him, which I helped him to rent a place here. Just he stays here for just a few days. Now he came in with a police officer to embarrass me for the help I did. This is the reason it's not good to help anybody in Europe. Because when you help somebody, in the result, it will turn back evil. This is it. This is cash flow. His name is cash flow. Just cash flow. In Instagram, you see cash flow. In Facebook, everywhere. This is the contract I signed with him. This is the contract I signed with him. Yes, this is the contract I signed. Drop my light. This is the contract I signed with him. This is the contract I signed with him. I want the whole world to see. This is the contract we signed with each other in entertainment. So I helped this guy. He was staying in the street. I helped him. I gave him a house. I was spending money on this entertainment. But today, this night, this guy came and paid me back with evil. He came with a police officer to my residence. He came with a police officer to my residence. And which guy, this is the reason it's not good to help anybody in Europe. It's not good to help Nigerians in Europe. When you see them, you just need to walk away from them. They are evil. They pay back evil. I just want the whole world to see. This is the signature. This is sign. We sign with each other. These are the sign. So just type cash flow on Facebook, type cash flow on Instagram, YouTube. You see everything. So that is it. So that is it. Very dirty. I will come to station. I have my document. I have this house. I'm a family. I have family here. Okay. I will come to station. With this. I pay tax for this. I declare my tax on it. So I have the proof of it. I hope I operate on this entertainment and I have tax and everything and I declare my tax on it. Okay? If you look onto my box here, excuse me please, look onto my box here, I declare it. This SCPM entertainment. So I pay tax for it. So I have a business with him.
You take the documents, yes. What you need. Documents, sir. Only documents. Yes. Only documents. Yes.
Cut a bit, please. Where is this document?
Where is my documents?
Let's end it, please.
Put it online. Where is my document? Give me my document.
Your document is inside your room.
It's with you. You collected it from me. You collected from this bag.
You see the reason why they don't help human being in life. You see the reason?
Where is my document?
Your document is, look at where you were staying. Very dirty. Look at.
I'm not
very dirty. Just look at. Look at. Human. Human being. Look at. Call yourself a star. Look at. Look at. This is where we were staying. Okay? You guys should look at.
Where is my document?
Mr.
Where's my papers?
Please.
His document.
Where is my document?
Listen to me, please.
Yeah.
Listen to me, please.
Okay.
Okay. Give her documents.
Yes.
And after
the documents.
we go. After.
Yes. Give
Okay.
me my document.
Give her documents, please.
The document is here. He look for his
Where
document.
is my documents?
He look for his document.
document.
Do you give me document? How did you give me document?
You collected this bag and removed the document from my bag.
How?
You
When?
give it to your wife. You collected it from here and give it to his wife. Her wife. Yeah, you sit here. Look at the sit. The wife was here. He collected it and give it to her wife.
My dear, your document is with you. It's here.
Give me my document.
You saw your document and you collected the document.
Nothing.
I did not hold your document. I don't know anything about your document. Okay?
Where is my leather bag?
I don't know anything about your document.
My leather bag is not here.
Which leather bag?
My document, everything is there. That was doubling.
Who hold your
everything
letter?
is there.
Who hold
Where is
it?
it?
Which leather bag?
Where is the document you collect from this bag?
This guy is
Before I
crazy.
leave, it's not here. It's not here.
I did not hold any document.
It's not here. Give me the document.
I did
It's
not
the
hold
one they
any
gave to me from
document.
CNDI. You keep it. What are you using it for? My paper from CNDI.
I
You're
did
keeping
not
it.
hold
My
any document.
Give it to me.
I've opened the
Put it in
room.
my bag here.
You guys see the room?
Yes. Give me my document.
I don't have.
Don't oppress me.
Look at the leather bag he's looking for. He said he's looking for leather bag. Look at the leather bag.
I will bring it out.
You
If I
see?
didn't see. Wait.
You see the leather bag you're looking for?
Wait.
You see the document?
Wait, I know what I'm looking for. I want to put it inside. When I'm left, I will check it. What am I talking about? It's not here. He collected it. The paper is not here. Give me the paper.
Why will I collect your document?
Give it to me. It's not here.
Why will I
put
collect
everything
it?
here now.
Oh, listen.
My document is not here.
Sir,
Give it to me.
sir, listen to me. Okay, for tonight, stop.
Okay.
You
Okay.
press charge against him.
Okay.
For you don't pay. Okay, him press charge against you because you steal his document. Okay.
Okay,
We
no
do it
problem.
like that.
Okay.
Okay, so take your stuff and go.
Okay.
Please, sir. Please. This is he closed the pack here, so you need to pack those things off. Please, sir. I want him to pack these things. Is a property. No, he has to take it. It belongs to him. I don't need it. It belongs to him.
You don't pay tax for me.
So you take everything.
You understand? I cannot rob the government.
You take everything.
You are not paying tax for me.
Hello, these are your materials. You take it off. Okay?
Be there and we will meet now.
These are your materials. You have to take your things. Look at your phone and your things here. You have to take your things here. Okay?